Let's do another problem from section 5.3. Again, we're using the fundamental theorem of calculus, which is the subject of section 5.3. So what we have is the integral from 1 to 4 of 2 plus x squared over the square root of x. This is with respect to x. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to rewrite this to do some algebra first. So using laws of exponents and convert from radical notation to rational exponents. So we have the integral from 1 to 4 of 2x to the negative 1/2 plus x to the 3/2. So what we're going to do is we're going to use the power rule for antiderivatives. So what do? We add 1 to the exponent and then divide. So negative 1/2 plus 1 is a positive 1/2. If you divide by 1/2, that's the same thing as multiplying by 2. 2 times 2 is 4. So the antiderivative of this first term is 4x to the 1/2. And similarly, use the power rule on this term. Add 1 to 3/2. That's 5/2. Divide by 5/2. Well, that's multiplying by 2/5. So we have 4x to the 1/2 plus 2/5 x to the 5/2, and our limits are 1 and 4. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take this antiderivative, plug in 4, plug in 1, and then subtract. So that's what's happening here. So go through, do that arithmetic. Pretty simple. You end up with 82/5.